Yay! So we have to make ourselves scarce.
Yeah, we have to take the dogs out. We're going to take them for a walk and take you along with us in the beautiful English countryside where
Look
it's
how sunny it is.
sunny and beautiful and lovely outside
Oh
today.
no, it's raining.
It's pouring with rain. If any of you guys have a Springer Spaniel, I think you can probably relate, because this is the Springer trying to bloody choke herself. This is Elmo, relaxed, chill as anything. And then this is a Bernese Mountain Dog. Elmo's a Labradoodle, so he does whatever. And then Midnight is the most laid back dog in the world. Alex is all kitted out in your farmer outfit.
It's the first time I've worn proper shoes down to this. Down to the falls.
Willow! And guys, because I know some of you might say, oh, she needs a harness. We've tried that, it's worse. A harness is not any better. She just won't. These two are so well behaved, aren't they? This one. We finally got them off their leads and we're in the woods, and I'm regretting my shoe wear now because I've got Converse on and it's very muddy. Alex has got quite a smart outfit on. He's got my dad's wellies and my dad's coat. But it's that rain where it's like drippy rain. So when you're in the woods, all the trees just drip heavy droplets onto you.
There's any kind of gust of wind, it's like crazy.
Yeah, it's funny. The dogs are loving it though, loving life. Every time we come to one of these little bays where you can kind of go in the water, Willow jumps in like, please can I go in now, please can I go in now, ma'am, please, please, please. And then we like move on, she's like, oh, okay, the next one, let's go to the next one. Look at these trees. I was just thinking how amazing all these trees are. Look.
Tree, they're pretty gnarly.
I feel like the mum who watches the kids play and films it on her camcorder, you know, like when you watch old school videos of yourself when you're a kid and it's your mum filming you and your dad, like, oh, don't go too far in. Elmo won't go in the water. He's a Labradoodle and his poodle definitely comes out because he refuses to go in the water. Did you just splash Elmo? Ah! 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 This is Willow's permanent face when she's waiting to play. And she looks even cuter when she's wet. She must be freezing. Midnight! Midnight!
Midnight. Attack! Kill!
These are the type of fun and games Alex plays with Willow. He's just got water in his hands. He does it with grass too, and she goes mad and she gets so confused. We haven't been down to our local woods in so long, so it's really nice to be here, isn't it? It's now. His ears, so cute.
Oh, I bet he won't come in the water if I do this.
He'll let go. Look at his feet. His feet are digging in. Oh, I can't believe he's going in the water. What is happening? Elmo won. What are you doing, Midnight? What the hell? So you just cleaned yourself and you just covered yourself in dirt. I bet it was itchy, wasn't it? Does that give you a good scratch? Good back scratch. You've got something attached to your tail, darling. There you go. I hope you fall. I hope you get soaking wet in there. You're gonna fall! Oh, they followed you! I'm definitely not feeling brave enough to go that way. I'm gonna go round. Midnight, come with me! She won't be able to do that. She's so excited to be reunited. Look, Midnight, you just go over the bridge. Come on, over the bridge. Alex just attempted to scare me and failed miserably.
No, you went, "Ah!"
I did not. I was just thinking to myself,
Ah!
I was just thinking to myself, where is Alex? And the dogs were running around like mad looking for you. I think Willow was so confused and she was running. I was thinking, why is she so excited?
I always love that bit there because it reminds me of something out of Lord of the Rings or something. The whole other bank is completely covered in like grass and moss. There's like no stony colours at all. It's all green. So cool. A horrible feeling. I recorded that all in the wrong frame rate. It's telling me it was only 25 frames a second, which is annoying.
So we've been out for like 2 hours and we're kind of not sure whether to go back yet because I just rang my mum and she didn't answer. And we've been out for so long because the estate agent turned up about 45 minutes before the viewing. So it was very early. He must have given extra time to get there. So I'm wondering either it's going well and they're looking around and, you know, have had an hour like looking around everywhere, or they were late because our house is quite in the middle of nowhere. I really need a wee.
Okay.
That's another reason why I want to go home. Have this way in the woods.
Feel free.
Don't! Go away. Go away. Oh my goodness. The second I stopped peeing, I look up and there was a woman coming with her dogs. That was so close. She literally, if she'd been 2 seconds before, she would have seen me pee.